Presente nga guest of honor and speaker sang Iloilo Police Provincial Office o kon IPPO para sa ila culminating ceremony sa 2025 National Women's Month celebration si Dr. Ramel ang presidente kag Chief Executive Officer kon CEO sang K5 News FM Philippines kag Klinika de Alternativo Medicina and Wellness Center sa IPPO news site barangay sa Blogon, Pasig City, Iloilo. Kadungan sang traditional Monday flag raising and awarding ceremonies mainit nga ginabi-abi si Dr. Ramel ni IPPO Director Police Colonel Bayani Manuel Razalan kag sang pila ka mga personnel sang talatapan. Ang nasambit nga kahiwatan ang tuyo nga kilalahon kag iselebrar ang mga vital o kon importante nga mga kontribusyon sa mga kababaihan sa sosyedad ilabi na sa law enforcement kag community development.
To the brave women here today wearing the uniform of the Philippine National Police, I offer you my deepest respect and admiration. I salute your unwavering dedication in safeguarding our communities. Because of you, we peacefully sleep at night, knowing that brave souls like you are out there protecting us. You have my gratitude.
Inisi ka K5 Alex Escalante para sa Kampyon nga Balita, Serbisyo Publiko kag Kalingawan sa Iloilo. Number 1 na kita, K5 News FM.
This news is brought to you by... Are you experiencing body weakness? Do you have delayed wound healing? Do you feel hungry all the time? You may have diabetes. A powerful duo to help diabetic. Natural way of lowering blood sugar level. Clinica DTX 500 is a powerful duo that combines of ampalaya extract and the sugarcane extract. Clinica DTX 500 stimulates the production of insulin, enhance conversion to energy.